How do I dispose of waste from a pop-up drink stand? The best way is to separate your waste into liquids, recyclables, and trash right at the source. Then use a licensed hauler or your local municipal system to remove it properly instead of dumping anything down a storm drain or into the ground. Most people do not realize that leftover syrup, milk, or juice cannot just be poured out onto grass or into a street drain, because those liquids are considered a pollutant once they mix with soil or water systems and can actually violate local environmental codes. Instead, you want to pour excess liquids into a designated sink trap or a sanitary sewer connection, which many food trucks and stands are required to have on board. If you do not have access to one, you can collect liquid waste in sealed containers and dispose of it at an approved dump station, the same kind used by recreational vehicles. For solid trash like cups, straws, and napkins, keep a separate bin so it does not contaminate your recyclables, since food residue on paper or plastic often disqualifies the whole batch from being recycled. Ice melt water is technically wastewater too, so it should go through the same liquid disposal process rather than just being tipped onto pavement. A lot of small stand owners get fined simply because they assume melted ice is just water, when cities often classify it the same as greywater. One common mistake is mixing food waste with regular trash without draining liquids first, which creates leaks, smells, and pest problems. So always drain before bagging. Another issue is forgetting to check local health department rules, since many cities require a written waste disposal plan before you are even allowed to operate a stand, so calling ahead saves you from a surprise citation. People also underestimate how quickly grease or syrup residue builds up on equipment, so wiping down surfaces daily and storing that residue separately prevents bigger cleanup headaches later. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.